Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities podcast. This is 𝗀𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on natural gas. MCX natural gas has been trading with a higher high formation after it bounced back from the low of 120. Prices have closed above the 20 exponential moving average at 155, which would act as an immediate support. Natural gas have also tested and closed around the previous swing high of 160. The momentum indicator RSI has a positive crossover as it moves out of the oversold zone, supporting the bullish bias. Prices should target the level of 175, which is the 38.2 retracement level, and any dip should be an opportunity to buy. Thus, a buy on dip strategy should be used for the day ahead, targeting the level of 170 and 175 with a reversal below the level of 150. Natural gas पॉजिटिव ट्रेंड में ट्रेड कर रहा है. प्राइसेस 163 के आसपास क्लोज्ड है एंड वी एक्सपेक्ट प्राइसेस 170 to 175 तक कल टारगेट हो सकता है और प्राइसेस नेचुरल गैस का रिवर्सल 150 के नीचे होगा. हेंस वी एक्सपेक्ट नेचुरल गैस टू ट्रेड विद अ पॉजिटिव बायस फॉर द डे अहेड. थैंक यू.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.